All right, this is a quick demo of the Limbix VR Kit. I'm Ben Lewis, I'm here with Mila Fay, and we're going to be showing you how the Limbix product works. So Mila is going to be my patient, and I'm going to put her in virtual reality. So this is the Limbix headset. We want to get a close-up of the headset. Okay. And what we've done is customize the headset so that we have our own straps, which are fully wipeable with the alcohol wipes, and this ratchet system in the back. We also have a leather insert again to make it wipeable and therefore more hygienic. So I'm going to put my patient in virtual reality by doing this and then tightening the ratchet in the back and having her adjust the focus wheel at the top until she can read the middle of the screen clearly. And what we have here is the tablet interface. So this lets us see what our patient sees and control her virtual world. So I'm going to start out right now by sending her into a relaxing environment. So I'm selecting the relaxation environment. It's transitioning. And now she is in a relaxing forest setting. I could also turn on some audio guided meditation if I wanted to from this interface. And you'll see as Mila turns her head that the interface on the tablet adjusts accordingly. So it's really helpful for a clinician or administrator to be able to know what their patient is looking at and then to adjust that world. So as an example, I can send Mila to this beach. And now she's at a virtual beach. Those are some relaxing experiences. But in addition to that, we can do a lot of other things with the Limbix platform. Here, I'll take her for a short drive. So now we're putting Mila into a virtual car, and this is not far from Stanford, and she's going for a short drive. And this is an experience designed for people getting over driving accident trauma. They might have developed a fear of driving over bridges or under tunnels. It's very common for veterans to experience a fear of driving. And we start out in our exposure hierarchy with a very easy drive. This is a slow drive that she's experiencing. But as a clinician, I can of course adjust this virtual environment. I can make it rain by clicking that button, and now it's raining. And in fact, I don't know if the camera can fully pick it up, but you can hear the rain on the windshield. And this is just some examples of my controlling the virtual world. I'll turn it off. Now I'm gonna take her to the Golden Gate Bridge. And so this is, again, you can see on the screen here, right in front of the Golden Gate Bridge. And I'm gonna just start this video. And so this is a very effective tool for clinicians, and it's relatively easy for them to use. Now, just to close out the video, I'm gonna take Mila to one more experience, and that is our movie theater. And so sometimes you just want an easy way to relax, especially if you're going through any sort of painful procedures. A movie theater environment can be wonderful. So now Mila's watching a cartoon, and she's in a home theater, but I can also send her to the beach where she's watching a movie from a really relaxing environment. And that is a great overview of the Limbix platform.